What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to share with you something new that I'm going to be doing. I know primarily a lot of my content is about my digital marketing agency as well as pay-per-call affiliate and lead generation marketing as a whole. And I wanted to start a new series that I'm going to be updating you guys on once a week. And that is growing an Instagram account with an organic following to as much as I can. If I can hit 10,000 and get that swipe up feature, that would be really cool. If we can hit even higher numbers, that's even cooler. But we're just going to see where we can take it just week by week by week with 100% organic traffic. I'm not going to be running any ads to this account, and I'm not even going to be doing the follow unfollow, because what I've noticed when I've done that with other accounts that I've tried to build up, because it just absolutely destroys the analytics of the account, and then it almost seems like you're capped out, and the likelihood of getting your content onto that explore page where things kind of just go viral from there, or at least semi-viral, the likelihood of that happening is really, really low, and it kind of stunts the growth of the account. So as you can see, I have the account here on the screen. The name and whatnot has been covered up for obvious reasons. But if you do want to follow me on Instagram, be sure to go either down below or to the side, wherever it is on the screen, and go follow my account there. There's also a link down below in the description to my account. But for this one, I will keep the name private probably until I can hit like 10,000 followers, which may be a few months from now. Who knows when that can happen? But I want to keep everything as organic as possible in terms of growth, maybe doing like power like groups and that sort of thing. But as you can see, the niche that the account is in is motorcycles, specifically motocross focused, because I have been racing motocross since I was 8 years old. I'm 27 now, and I have a ton of passion for the sport. I'm going to be involved in the sport until I don't even know. Probably till the day I'm not even on this earth and not alive anymore, because it's so much fun. And the reason I chose this topic is because it's something I actually care about. The previous account that I had was in the lawn care niche, and yes, I like doing that business, and yes, and that's the industry that my marketing agency is in, but I really don't have that passion. But with how much passion I have for this sport, I have no problem finding content and posting 3-4 times a day, especially right now. There's a lot of activity going on right now within the motocross world. There are 3 huge events happening this weekend, next weekend, and then the following weekend. There's going to be an absolute crap ton of content being posted to Instagram regarding these events. I want to see how much I can grow within these next few weeks with sharing as much content as I can, which leads me into the next point, which is how I'm going to be getting content for this. And so my plan for content for the page is to just find stuff that is going semi-viral or going viral and repost it, obviously giving credit to whomever created it or who posted it, and see where it goes from there. Because the goal is to really get these posts that I'm making onto the explore page, because that's when you get lots and lots and lots of traffic, lots of viewers to videos and that sort of thing, and that's how you can increase the growth of the account. So what I've basically been doing is, as you can tell, the followers are very, very low, 41 people. Those are primarily people that are within the sport, such as athletes, the tracks and promoters and vendors within the sport, media outlets, those that share this type of content. For example, if an athlete shares a video of him riding at a practice track and it's the first time he's got back from injury, that's going to be huge news, and there's going to be a lot of engagement on there. So if I can find that within a couple hours and share it, I can get a lot of people seeing it under my account and then get those people to follow my account. So that's really the goal with this, and grow it as much as I can and see where I can take it from there as far as monetizing the account goes and that sort of thing. And so the followers that I have here on this page are 100% organic just from making these posts. And this is something that I kind of expected to see at the very beginning, was a fair amount of posts and almost like a 2 or 3 to 1 or maybe even 1 to 1 ratio of followers to posts. But I think if I stay consistent, I'll be able to grow the account organically. And I think some of these videos have hit the explore page because I've had a lot of views as far as the account size goes on some of these videos, because this one here has 109 views and this one 98. This one 267. So I mean, I'm not going to try to do the math, but that's what, 5 to 1 almost for followers to the views. I'm not an expert on Instagram by any means, but that tells me that somehow this was either shared or it hit the explore page or something like that. So I'm basically going to be taking you guys on the journey of what I'm doing within this account and just doing like weekly updates to see how much it's grown week by week. And then maybe as it grows even more, start doing updates more frequently. Because again, that ever-present goal is to hit the 10,000 followers you have to get in order to get the swipe up feature. And that's the best way to monetize an Instagram account, is through the stories and with being able to get like a brand deal or some type of affiliate offer or whatever it may be, that is really the ticket for really generating a serious amount of revenue on Instagram. And at this point in time, I am not an Instagram expert by any means. I'm not even going to kind of hint at that. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing with this account in order to grow this and expand the sources of revenue I have within my business as a whole, and see where I can go with this and turn this account into something that has multiple thousand or multiple tens of thousands or even multiple hundreds of thousands of followers and have a lot of engagement, and then really be able to monetize the page, whether it's through the stories or just links in the bio. But being able to monetize just an Instagram page would be something that's really, really cool. I'm not going to be focusing all of my energy on this by any means. My marketing agency and my affiliate and lead generation campaigns are still the top priority, because posting 3 to 5 times per day on Instagram does not take very much time at all. And with consistency and over time, it just pays off. It's the same thing with YouTube, with what I'm doing here with posting as much as I can and just posting consistent. And same thing here with posting consistently 3 to 5 times per week on my channel and watching it grow as well. So if you guys like this type of content, be sure to go down below, smash that like button. And if you guys have any tips or advice for me with growing an Instagram account, leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. And if you're not already subscribed, be sure to go down below, smash that subscribe button, and click the bell for notifications, so that way you know when the newest content comes live. Also, if you wanted to check out the list of the 9 most profitable lead gen and pay-per-call niches, there's a link right down below to download that. And you can learn a lot more about pay-per-call and lead generation marketing. So with that said, my name is Wacek. Thanks for checking out my channel, and I will see you in the next one.